Have you ever wondered what makes some buildings' electrical systems last decades while others need constant repairs? The secret lies in the proper installation and maintenance techniques that many facilities lack today. Organizations frequently face safety hazards, compliance violations, and recurring maintenance costs due to poor electrical installations. Many facilities operate with outdated wiring systems that waste energy and pose significant risks. Building managers struggle with frequent electrical failures, while maintenance teams spend countless hours on reactive repairs instead of preventive maintenance. At the individual level, electricians and maintenance staff often lack confidence in handling modern electrical systems. They find themselves repeatedly fixing the same issues, unsure about implementing long-term solutions. This leads to frustrated teams, safety concerns, and inefficient work practices. This certification program bridges these critical gaps by providing comprehensive training in modern electrical installation and maintenance techniques. Participants learn industry best practices, safety protocols, and preventive maintenance strategies that transform reactive approaches into proactive solutions. Organizations implementing these practices typically reduce electrical-related incidents by 60% and maintenance costs by 40%. Their facilities operate more efficiently, with fewer disruptions and improved safety standards. For professionals, this certification builds confidence in handling complex installations and creates opportunities for career advancement in facility management and electrical maintenance. Take the first step toward electrical excellence. Join us to master the skills that will make you an indispensable asset in modern facility management. Enroll now and transform your approach to electrical installations and maintenance.